Taco Plays, and today I'm just doing a video to show you guys a new thing. Well, it's not really new. I've already known about this. So this is just a hack on how to get extra star coins, fame, and how to level 6 quickly. So this does not work on US. It's this hack by, this one says hack by Jack, but I also have hack by Lisa. So basically, I'm just going to be showing you guys how it works. So first, I wouldn't recommend you do this on your main account because MSP UK may find out and yeah, they'll just get rid of your account and stuff like that. So you just click on a random character, girl or boy, and then come up with a random name. So I'll say Pink Pup 4441. And then you enter in your password, just make sure that's correct, and then you're going to let them create your account. I'm sorry if this is a bit laggy, I don't know why, but yeah, so once your account is created, you have to do all of this, and while this is happening, you're going to open up your hack, and just enter in your username, which is PinkPup, and then your password, and you log in, and then, okay, now log in. And make sure you put where you're from, so this is for the UK. Then when you click login, it's going to say logged in. And now you just tell them what you want. So I want it to be automatically level 6. I click that, wait for the hack to load. And now it says the hack has loaded, so we're just going to refresh our tab, we'll just log out. So then you're going to log out, log back in, and then you should be level 6. So what I would recommend you do is that make random accounts, and then buy stuff off your wishlist with them because you will get locked out. So then you log back in. And just wait for that to load. And then see? Level 6. Oh, I forgot. I was supposed to get so we'll just easily work. We can do that, so do all of this nonsense. And then just ask for this, because they won't go any higher than this, so and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't work, so we'll just refresh the tab instead of wasting our time. Okay. So now we'll log back in. Yeah. And then you should most likely have 5,000 coins. And you can continuously do this over and over. 5,000 coins, level 6. And then you can do all this quest and collect these coins here before you do the hack. So now you can just, since I'm not going to keep this account, you can just go on a shopping spree. So, you know, click stuff you like. Change the color of stuff. And just make sure you're enjoying yourself. Yes, 3,650. Buy whatever you like, whatever you desire, because okay. No, if you don't want anything else from there, go buy yourself a nice animation. You can buy expensive stuff, make everyone else jealous. And then just do that. Okay, we'll just do myself. And then you'll be like, so, you most likely if you stay on this account for too long, MSP will randomly pop up and say that you've been locked out. For example, I think her name was Nice Giver or something. Yeah, Nice Giver 1414. This was an account that I had created. Okay, this is an account that I have created, and she was locked out because, you know, I used her to buy different people their wish list. So, that's actually what my next video, hold on. Yeah, that's what my next video is going to be about. So, I'm just going to show you guys that I'm not lying. And this account, yeah, she's just going to stay there. I don't want her. So, I'm going to make a main UK account for you guys to send a message to for the next video, and just to show you. 1414, and I think the password was. Oh, I forgot the I. See, you're locked out. You can log in 36,963 days or day. At 18 hours, you have been cheating with star coins. So that's what you're going to deal with, so. Yes. If you could enter, it will act as if it's locking in, but it's not. So yeah, pretty much that's the glitch right there. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you stay updated. In a few minutes, I'll post the next video. Please like, share. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I guess I'll see you guys later.